Hey you guys, so today I'm going to show you the Lush Kitchen November 2021 subscription box. I just got it yesterday and these are the things that are inside. So these are the things that we had to vote for. So there's Hot Java, there's Hot Toddy, there's Father Time soap, there's a jelly, and the things that won I'll show you, but they also put an additional perfume in there, a yuzu and cocoa perfume. So that was really nice. This is the second or third perfume we've received in the subscription boxes. And so yuzu and cocoa, very nice fragrance. So we also got a tote, a little tote here with lovely drawings in the front. There's a lot of flowers and the Lush logo, and then in the back is our name. So that's nice. So when you travel, you can put your Lush things in this tote if you want. That's what it looks like inside. And then we also got this body scrub, and this was sold for Christmas one year, about 5 years ago or so. It's made with peppermint. It's called Salt and Peppermint Bark Body Scrub, and it's made with cocoa butter, and it's scrubby. So if you want to exfoliate your skin in the shower or exfoliate your arms in the bath, that's what you would use. Here is the Bombardino bath bomb that smells like butterscotch. Bombardino is a drink that Italians sometimes drink when they're skiing. And this is the Hot Toddy bubble bar. So that was voted in. I kind of figured it would be because it's so popular. So this is also an ex-Christmas bar from a long time ago. Here's a bath bomb called Hot Java, and it has pieces of cinnamon stick in it. There are quite a lot of them. So those are the products in the subscription box. Now I will say I didn't vote for Hot Java. I voted for the Sex Bomb jelly and the Father Time soap, Bombardino, and Hot Toddy. I'm going to be having a bath cocktail now with these two because they're both spicy and orange. So I'm just going to run a bath and I'll show you what Hot Java looks like in the tub and what Hot Toddy looks like in the tub. Now the Hot Java is one of those bath bombs from Lush that are very fast fizzing. They dissolve very quicker than the slow, melty, foamy, multicolored bath bombs that Lush makes. This is an old school bomb, and they didn't have those melty, foamy bath bombs back then. You can see how many pieces of cinnamon stick are in the tub. So if you don't like bits in your bath, which a lot of people don't, I would put the bath bomb in a kitchen strainer and then hold that underneath the falling water stream in the tub, and then the bath bomb will dissolve in the water, but the cinnamon pieces won't be in the water. Hot Toddy smells of orange and cinnamon stick in the middle and clove. You can see a slice of orange peel and a cinnamon stick piece sticking out in the middle of it. And it's very popular. Lush has made other things with the Hot Toddy scent, including Hot Toddy shower gel and a couple of other things that are on my Lush blog. And now for you folks who have ASMR, I'm going to cut this bubble bar up before I use it. So my bath with these two is a nice, warming, spicy bath. I think this would be good for winter time too. And so I like the box, the things in the box. I would rate the box a 4 out of 5 rating. Thanks for watching, and we'll talk to you on the next video. Bye-bye.